I've always been interested in computers, and I was a computer science major for my undergraduate, and I've always wanted to keep going with security, even though I don't necessarily want to be an engineer. For the longest time, I've been interested in human trafficking relief, so if I could get a job maybe for a nonprofit.
My biggest career goal overall is to become a professor somewhere. I really enjoy teaching, and I know that we have a huge shortage of people in the industry that we really need to fill a lot of spots.
I think that with IT consulting I can really help to change the world.
I've never really considered like the digital forensic side of technology, and now maybe it's a career I'm looking at.
Career-wise, I'd love to at some point start my own business and work with smaller companies who are often the victim of cyber attacks.
Working in the world of e-commerce and really how voice interaction is going to play a huge role in the integration of how the shopping experience and customer experience will be in the future.